The Google Pixel 11 Pro XL is coming, and trust me, if you think smartphones have peaked, this one is about to prove you wrong, because Google is preparing something so powerful, so insanely intelligent, that it might actually change how we use phones forever. Imagine a device that can predict what you want before you even touch it. Sounds unreal, right? But stay with me, because what's inside this phone will blow your mind. Now, let's talk about what makes the Pixel 11 Pro XL one of the most talked about phones of the year. Google is expected to bring its next-generation Tensor G5 chip built on a super-efficient 3nm process, meaning faster AI performance, smoother gaming, lightning-quick app switching, and way better battery life. Speaking of battery, leaks point toward a massive 5,400 mAh cell with AI-optimized power management that learns your daily routine and saves battery where you don't need it, giving you all-day performance even under heavy use. And the display, oh man, it's going to be gorgeous. A 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with up to 2,800 nits peak brightness, buttery smooth 1 to 144 Hz refresh rate, thinner bezels, and Google's new Vivid View calibration that boosts color accuracy. Perfect for content creators, gamers, and anyone who loves a stunning screen. But the real magic is in the cameras, because Google never plays around when it comes to photography. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to feature a 200MP upgraded main sensor with larger pixels for better low-light shots, a new 48MP periscope telephoto lens capable of 10x optical zoom, and an improved ultra-wide lens with macro support. Combine this with Google's advanced AI photography engine, and you're looking at some of the cleanest, sharpest, most natural photos any smartphone will deliver, especially at night. And here's where it gets exciting. Google is rumored to add real-time AI scene generation, instant object removal, enhanced cinematic blur for videos, and a next-level stabilization mode that makes even shaky footage look like it was shot on a gimbal. Now, let's talk performance. With upgraded cooling, ultra-fast UFS 4.1 storage, and up to 16 GB RAM, the Pixel 11 Pro XL is built for speed, whether you're gaming, editing 4K videos, running multiple apps, or using heavy AI tools directly on the device. And yes, Android 16 comes pre-installed with brand new AI-powered customization features, smarter security, better animations, and next-level voice controls that feel almost magical. For the launch date, early reports suggest Google will unveil the Pixel 11 Pro XL in October 2025 at its annual Made by Google event. But here's where the suspense builds. Leaked internal documents hint at an early surprise reveal event that could drop months sooner, so keep your eyes open because Google might shock all of us. Before we wrap up, here's something special because you stayed till the end. Some insiders claim Google is working on a hidden Ultra mode that unlocks boosted GPU performance and advanced camera features, only accessible through a special update available to early buyers. Imagine getting exclusive features no one else has. If Google actually releases this, early adopters are going to feel like VIP users. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.